Hey, it's Lindsay and JT here with WTI, and this is the friend you never knew you needed. This is the Lydsto R1 robotic vacuum and mop, and I love this product. It is super easy to use and it really does a good job, but he actually knows a lot better how to use it. So I'm gonna let him explain all the awesome features it has.
Let's take a look.
Next to performance of the vacuum itself, the app is what's most important in any robot vacuum. And this one does a great job. It maps your entire house using the LiDAR system, and you can point it to a specific room and send it directly there, so you don't have to do your whole house at once. This is because you should be really tidying up all the things on the ground, especially when you have kids, before running the vacuum. What's even better is you can schedule a specific room to be cleaned at the same time and day every week, or even daily if you want. Once all the big pieces are vacuumed up, then it's time to start mopping. Here's the mopping attachment along with one of the 30 disposable mop pads that are included with the robot vacuum. They also include a reusable mop pad that you can wash. Once you click it in, the mop knows it's time to start mopping.
Entering mopping mode.
Of course, you'll want to make sure that you fill the water tank with water, which is part of the 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank combo. Once you click it in, you're ready to go. Here we're selecting the dining room, just a small section, which is another feature, the spot cleaning. I like that because if you see a spot that needs a little bit more attention, you can just send it to that area. Once it's done, you can pause it to take the mop pad off, and here we removed it. You can see how much dirt it picked up after the vacuum. Since this is one of the disposable pads, we just toss this in the garbage and we're good to go. When the vacuuming session is done, it returns to the base station, which sucks out the dirt from the vacuum itself. This is really helpful when you're doing your whole house, as in between charging sessions, it will empty the dustbin.
If you're looking for a vacuum that also is able to mop and keep your floors clean on a daily basis, then this Lydsto R1 vacuum and mop is definitely the right way to go. And that's our point of view.